delicious recipe of fish curry, I'm going to take 500 grams of cleaned and washed sardines, or mathi as you may call it. Ingredients: I'm going to take 2 medium-sized onions, 5 small tomatoes, 3 green chillies, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 1 stick of curry leaf, and a few sticks of coriander leaves. Spices: I've used 3 cloves, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of coriander seeds, and half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Next, I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of oil. Oil is hot enough. I'm going to add the 3 cloves, the half teaspoon of coriander seeds, and the half teaspoon of jeera. With that, I'm going to add the curry leaves, the green chilies, and the garlic. On low flame for a good 30 seconds. 30 seconds, I'm going to add the finely chopped onions. Mix it really well, and you can change the flame here from low to low medium. Mixing it really well, you could cover the pan and let the onions cook for a good 4 minutes while ensuring that you stir it thoroughly from time to time. 4 minutes, as you would have noticed, the onions would have slightly changed the color. To add this part in the ingredients, it's also important to add say 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste to it. Mix it until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. That should be for a good say 1 minute. 1 minute, add all the spices except for the garam masala powder to it. That would be the coriander powder, the chilli powder, and the turmeric powder. Thoroughly for about a minute or so. Once I've mixed really well with the onions, you could now add the tomatoes. Mix this thoroughly for 3 minutes while covering it with the pan, but ensuring that you mix it from time to time. Cook for 3 minutes. Now you could add the salt as per taste and let it cook for another 1 minute. For another minute, you could now add half glass of water or a little more depending on your preference of it being a curry. And now I'm going to mix it for another 2 minutes, and do ensure that the tomatoes are soft before doing this process. I'm going to place a lid on this and let it cook for the 2 minutes on medium flame. Cook for 2 minutes. I'm now going to remove the lid and I'm going to add the pieces of fish to it. I've now added the pieces of fish to the mixture, and I'm going to ensure that I mix it really well with the curry. It's really important to note that you mix it really smoothly because it's unlike chicken, it might break easily. Again, cover it with the lid for a period of 3 minutes. 3 minutes, you can now remove the lid and you can add the garam masala powder. When garam masala powder, mix it well and let it cook for another 2 minutes. 2 minutes, now you can lastly add the coriander leaves and mix it and cover it with the lid for a period of 1 minute. 1 minute, you can now switch off the flame and the fish curry is ready to be served with hot steamed rice. If you did like my content, please do like this video.